Hello everyone. So recently I replaced my microSD card, which came with the Powkiddy X55, which is this one right here. This is what this is a microSD card that this thing came with, and I replaced it with a let's see. Okay, this is TF1, so this is where the operating system is at. And I replaced it with an industrial grade 16 gigabyte microSD card. So what I did was I just basically cloned a copy of the operating system from the original microSD card to the SanDisk microSD card, industrial grade microSD card. So basically, in industry, in business, we use enterprise grade storage devices, like in the computer world, like in the server world. And these cost a lot more than a standard consumer grade storage device like a hard drive or SSD. They just cost more because they're more reliable, and in industry and business we can't have these things fail, right? Let's say in a manufacturing plant, you have different types of single board computers which are used to automate processes, and a lot of them use micro SD cards and stuff like that. So oftentimes the point of failure is the storage drive. So we have to have like reliable storage devices, right? Like in server centers and stuff like that, they have enterprise grade storage devices for that reason as well. They can't have them fail because it's downtime and it costs the business money. So that's why I upgraded to a industrial grade microSD card for my Powkiddy X55. Is that I don't want the operating system, I don't want the storage device that has the operating system to fail. You know, that's something that I don't want. That's what I want to share with you today. If you want to know how you can clone a operating system with vanilla etcher, I will put it in the video cards here, or I'll put it in the video descriptions below, so you could do that yourself. It's not very hard to do. All you need is original storage device, and then you just clone it, and that's pretty much it. And it does work. I'll show you. What I cloned does work. So you could see the Gelios operating system, just enough Linux operating system. Everything works like how it was. Actually, for this one, all the ROMs go into the second TF microSD slot here. This is where the operating system is at, so you don't really have to worry about this. You just have to worry. You just have to make sure this doesn't fail, or your Powkiddy X55 simply will not work. That's what I want to share with you. If you have any thoughts or questions, you could leave it in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.